It's currently 5:28 a.m. in the morning. I'm so tired, but my mom came in here and she turned on the light. Okay, I'm so nervous because I'm gonna be vlogging in public. I'm trying to be quiet because Brianna's still sleeping. I'm gonna get ready. You have to like see me like this. Sorry if it's not in focus because as you can see, I currently don't have like one of those mirror things. I'm so tired, oh my gosh. So, update time. 6:16. I think we're about to leave in like 15 minutes. So this is what I'm wearing. It's just this top from Forever 21 and this bathing suit. It looks like a bra, but trust me, it's a bathing suit. And then these shorts. So I'll probably see you guys in the car. I don't know. It's kind of awkward. B. Say hi to the vlog. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Good, me too. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog in the car because it might be awkward.
How do you know if you're facing right? Because whenever I just saw it, your head was like chopped off.
I don't think it's chopped off.
Okay, not anymore.
Hey guys, so we're currently, I don't know if you can see anything I'm doing, but we are stopped at a gas station. And we have about 2 hours of the trip left until we get where we need to get. And yeah, I edited 2 videos so far, which is like really good because it took a long time to edit. Deuces! Also, look how messy it is, like where I'm sitting. Honestly. Yeah, so this vlog might be all over the place because, one, I have no idea what I'm doing and I never vlogged before and I can't even tell if I'm in focus or I'm even in the frame. There's some really loud cars. And like I also really never explained what we're doing. We're going to Colombia to my grandma, or my Mimi. I call her my Mimi, but she's basically my grandma. And she has a makeup convention thing for the job that she does. And so she has to go to this convention and she just asked us to go with her. So we're gonna go to the zoo and a bunch of other stuff. And I like never vlogged before and I'm really sorry if like my arm gets tired or something, or like I'm not in frame, and if the lighting's bad, I'm sorry, but people are staring at me in my car vlogging. Bree, say hi to the vlog. Mommy, say hi to the vlog. Hey!
It was ill.
Say hi to the vlog, Bree. Say hi to the vlog, Mommy.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, you ready? Hi, Bree. Oh, dang it. Say hi to the vlog camera.
Hey.
Mommy, say hi to the vlog camera. There you go.
Buckle in. I hate this buckle.
Are you struggling or no? It is 9:14 a.m. We're at another rest area. Not really a gas station, it's just a rest area. And I'm just sitting here editing the vlog and my arm is actually kind of hurting. But yeah, we have like 20 minutes or 30 minutes until we go to Cracker Barrel or whatever food place we're going to, maybe Bob Evans, I'm not sure. But we're going to that, and then I don't want to bring my vlog camera there because it's like such a tight space and I feel like that's not like fun. Like, yeah, it's food, it's good, it's cool, but like, do you really want to see me eat? I'm really cold. You can't tell, but I have goosebumps all over. So cold. But it's like really hot outside. It's like they locked me in the car. Oh no, they didn't. Oh shoot. Oh my god. But I thought like when I opened up the door it would be like completely off, and it was so loud and I was freaking out because I don't know what to do. Like, this is a new car to me. Like, I knew how to turn it off in the other car. I was about to run in there barefoot, but like, Mom, where's the keys? That was a great time to vlog.
Vlog takeover. So yeah, Jocelyn's doing something. And we're also playing up the game Yellow Car.
Okay, you're just okay. Bored up here. Mickey Mouse. So we just ate Cracker Barrel. I had fruit and eggs and bacon.
And mac and cheese.
Where are we going?
We are going to the South Carolina Museum.
So where are we?
Oh, I want to do vlog takeover. Vlog takeover. Update at the South Carolina Museum.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Don't drop them.
Don't slide it down because they'll fall out.
Just hold it.
Mommy's adding
Whoa.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa, they changed colors.
UV. Look, that one's getting blue.
This is so cool.
Wait.
Is that like a mood ring?
It's like a mood ring.
What is happening here? Why they change colors? Do you think it's changing the color due to heat of the sun?
Yeah.
You think the heat?
The types of rays, maybe. Like, I don't
We're
know.
almost
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
This base is treated chemically that it interacts with UV lights. So it's telling you that if it is
Stupid
clear
train.
sky,
It's an old schoolhouse. This is so wooden.
Alright, girls and boys. We're going to learn how to
you can't be a corner.
Okay, for class today, we are going to be learning about detention.
Yeah, this is
We can touch it.
Yeah, it says please be careful when touching.
It has sharp edges, so be careful.
I'm touching parts of the World Trade Center. So we discovered that there's a cotton gin here, and there's two. There's one right behind me, and then there's one right there. No, I think this one is. This one's bigger, so I think this one's it. Mine's green and. Hi, I'm Dawson Murray, and I'm from Bizarre Bark, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Okay, my turn.
Yo, that's actually super hard, like harder than I thought, which is like, but like I should be on Disney Channel because like, this is really zoomed in. Oh, hey there. But like, this is really cool. There's a lot of things to do. Okay guys, look at these pieces of paper. They look exactly the same, right? Okay, watch this. Nope. Mommy, did you see this? So we just walked like 2 miles. It was like 4 stories. About to go check into our hotel, and I'm so tired. My feet hurt. My feet hurt.
It was tired.
So we just got into our hotel, and it's huge. Like, and the lighting is so good. And there's 2 beds, and Brie and I are gonna sleep in this. And there's this huge bathroom. Yay! So we just got back from the pool by the TV, and I'm a little burnt, but that's okay. The lighting better be so nice.
Yellow car.
Where? Oh,
Where?
there's no yellow car.
So
That means you lose a point. Because you called it, but nothing was there. Ha. I love this lighting. I wish I had this kind of lighting in my room. My hair's a mess right now.
Discovery.
Currently 6:44. I'm editing a vlog right
You're
now
pushing a button.
on my Snapchat. I was like, yo, I'm gonna be uploading vlogs from this weekend. Should I start a channel or should I just go off my vlog channel? I'm at my main channel. But I'm thinking that I'm just going to post this vlog on my main, and then I'm gonna start a vlog channel around like Christmas, and then post all my my Vlogmas, because I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year. Vlogging every single 25 days. It's like this wooden elevator. Going floor 1, we on floor 6. And I also went to the pool. Like, we went to the pool. And like, I feel like I kind of got a tan. Or frame.
You're like really close to it.
It's fine. It doesn't matter. I like to get all personal in my vlogs.
Ten times and she didn't even
But
think
we got the food. I'm just probably gonna edit for the rest of the night. Ow, don't touch the lens. I'm going back to
Let's go
work.
down there and I'll be like to mommy, oh, they don't have a microwave.
Okay, we should break her. They didn't have a microwave, but they had napkins.
They have a microwave.
Just joking. Haha, tricked ya.
Right.
I hope the lighting's good. But, okay guys, so like, it's currently 7:55 p.m. and I'm already in my pajamas. Obviously I changed. And I'm not like really planning on vlogging for the rest of the night. So I think I'm gonna be ending this vlog here. But if any other clips come after this, it's after 7:55. I can't really tell if this lighting's good or not. I mean, it looks bright and out there, but at the same time it probably looks super chalky and super pale. But my mom and my Mimi and Brie went out like downstairs to look at desserts, and I was like, Key West trip like next week. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to the zoo, which should be super fun and full of people staring at me while I vlog, which is gonna be even more interesting. Good times. But I never gave y'all like a tour of a hotel room. Okay, because I felt like this is like so like grand. Doors are here, and the glare's really bad. Sorry about that. But there's a couch. Brie and I are gonna be sleeping there. Obviously, I'm sleeping this way and Brie's sleeping this way. I mean, come on. And then you turn, and you have the little like mirror and sink, and it comes with a fridge, which is super good because food. And then you have my mom's bed, which all my stuff is on it. Literally all my stuff is on there. And then my Mimi's bed, and then we have a TV. It's gigantic. It's a gigantic TV. A closet, and then when we shut the closet, there's a mirror, and when we turn this way, there's another mirror, and when you turn this way, you can't see, but this is the toilet, and another mirror. And the overview, my favorite part, outside. And you turn around, and it looks like this. Yeah, I'm sorry if this vlog's not interesting at all. I'm not like a vlogger, you know. I don't really have the right equipment anyways. But guess what? Your girl's saving up for a vlog camera. Editing this vlog. And it's literally like 12 minutes long, which is like pretty long. I think this is one of the longest videos other than the Bean Boozle challenge, but like this part makes me laugh so many times. So cold, but it's like really hot outside. It's like they locked me in the car. Oh no, they didn't. Oh shoot. That's literally my favorite part out of the whole entire vlog. I didn't know it was gonna like beep like that. And also the like little part after that where I'm like, oh my god, like this doesn't happen. I realized I wasn't even looking into the lens. I was like looking above because I was freaking out of like, because so many people were staring at me. I'm like offended. But yeah, I was looking around the camera, like not at the camera. Like, hey guys, I know you there. Also, I got a new Snapchat that you should totally add me on. I made it public, so if y'all came from my YouTube before, this is the old, here's the new. Jocelyn.Murray with 2 I's and 2 E's. That's my Snapchat. And my Instagram is Jocelyn Murray with 2 I's and 2 E's. And my Twitter is also Jocelyn Murray with 2 I's and 2 E's. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.